And 77 days since the first confirmed COVID-19 case was reported in Wisconsin.
Since then, businesses have closed, causing about 250,000 Wisconsinites to seek unemployment benefits. Now, state Republicans are suing over Governor Tony Evers' extension of his safer at home order through May 26th.
Reporter Mal Myers spoke with the governor about some of the state's most pressing issues in an interview you'll see only on News 8 Now.
This week, Governor Tony Evers unveiled his plan to gradually ease restrictions through increased testing, contact tracing, and a decline in new cases.
There are areas in the state that also have low numbers or no numbers.
It's been 12 days since La-Crosse County has reported a new case. The governor says this and other issues need to be considered, but parts of the state may gradually reopen sooner.
We're always willing to take a look at that, and we will going forward.
Governor Evers acknowledges small businesses have taken the brunt of the effort. In Evers' Badger Bounce Back plan, businesses could reopen gradually.
We have to make sure that it's done slowly and thoughtfully, and then we have to see if it's working.
However, he says there will be businesses that will continue to struggle even if able to reopen. Evers is hopeful leaders can get more money into their hands and will be looking for help from Washington, D.C.
Small business people and our farmers in particular, I think, have taken a real beating.
Workers have also suffered. Some who were laid off because of the crisis say they've been waiting weeks for unemployment benefits. What would you say to those workers, and what is the state doing to address this issue?
That's one of the things that are really troubling because people need those checks.
He says staff are trying to keep up with the influx of calls and requests.
Department of Workforce Development are doing the best they can. We're adding more staff and we're hiring temp workers.
While people wait to go back to work, Republicans are taking the issue to extend the safer at home order until May 26 to the state Supreme Court.
I think it's nothing more than a political game and a political power grab.
He says the order is reasonable, and the plan to reopen Wisconsin was put together with guidance from the Trump administration and the CDC. If Republicans win the lawsuit, Evers says the legislature can do whatever it wants, causing confusion.
As we mess around with this, people are dying. And for, I would say, illegitimate reason, and that is political power grab.
Political issues aside, Evers says overwhelmingly Wisconsinites have participated in Safer at Home and understand that it saves lives.
Patience is important, but I'm really proud of the people of Wisconsin, the way they've responded so far.
In La-Crosse, Mal Myers, News 8 Now.
And local Republican Representative Nancy-Vandermeer of Tomah also weighed in on rolling out a reopening of the state.
I have the opportunity to talk to a great number of my constituents, and during that initial 30-day period, they were very fearful. And I don't know that sense of, concern is going to go away that quickly.
But Representative Vandermeer also says she's concerned for the small business owners that she hears from and their ability to survive this economic hardship. She thinks it might be possible to open Wisconsin in a more regional way where there are more COVID-19 cases, have a slower reopening, and in those areas that have fewer cases, maybe those could reopen sooner.